This is a complete power bank for Wi-Fi router and ONO. Here you can see one circuit. It has output 5 voltage output, 9 voltage output and 12. You can see this is 5 voltage output from here USB. This 5 voltage output, then 9 voltage output. This one is the 9 voltage output for the ONO and 12 voltage output for the router. This power bank we can use for the ONO and router. Here is the battery negative, battery positive, and this is the BMS, that means balance mode, the middle one. This circuit need 2 battery. This circuit need 2 battery. Maximum we can use here 7.5 volts. Here we can see here are 4 battery, but actually here is 2 battery. 2 battery are in parallel mode. 2 battery are in parallel mode makes 1 battery. 2 battery makes together 1 battery. This one and this one. 7 volts. 7.3 volts have. It is 7.3 volts have. This one is the 1 battery. This 2 makes 1 battery. 3.50 volts. 3.50 volts. This 2 makes 1 battery. Another is also same. Another 2 makes 1 battery. Another 2 makes 1 battery. This 2 also 7.5 volts. Now I am going to connect on the wire. This is the positive wire for the positive voltage. This wire for the positive voltage. This wire for the negative voltage. This wire for the negative voltage. And this is the BMS, balance mode voltage. This is the middle one, 3.5 volts. This one 3.5 volts. You can see here is 7.2 volts. 7 volts have 3.5, 7 volts. 3.5 series mode. In series mode 7 volts. Now I am going to connection with the circuit. This is the positive voltage. B plus means positive voltage. B plus means the positive voltage. B plus means the positive voltage, and this is the balance middle one. Balance middle one, the 3.5 volts. This is the negative voltage. Negative voltage. It's very easy. We can find out from the market this circuit, this type of circuit. Now its charge is low. the charging is low. Now I am going to charge it. This is the charging socket. Look, 2 light is lighting, 2 bulb is lighting. Now I am going to check the voltage. Here is how many volts have? 9 volts. 9 volts coming out from here. 11.2 volts. After charging it will be 12 volts. Charging it will be 12 volts because it has only 7 volts. It will be 7.5 volts. Then the voltage will up. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to make this type of power bank, it's so easy. There are lots of circuit in our market. We can buy and we can make for ourselves. This battery we can take from this battery. We can take this type of battery from the old laptop battery. 5 voltage, 9 voltage, 12 voltage. This one is the charging socket. Thank you for watching the video. If you want this type of things, please comment us. Thank you.